Hey everybody, Mike here. Let's take a quick look at this professional hair clippers set from men that I picked up from Nova. Now, truth be told, I actually bought these for my dad for Christmas. I got these to the house, and before I wrapped them, I opened the box just to check them out. Dad's not getting this set. I'm keeping this for me. I'm gonna go ahead and pick him up another one and get that wrap for him. I opened the box on this, and I was just so impressed. I had to try them out. Obviously, I got this mange on my face I got to take care of. Let's get this thing out the box here. I'll show you what's going on. I'll kind of explain to you what caught my eye and why I'm keeping these for me. This does come with a little trim comb here. Like you see, you got your manuals. It's got your little cape with it. What you see here is what comes in the box. You've got 6 guards up here at top for your trimmers, and then you got 4 guards down here for your precision trimmer. So let's get these out of the package here. I'll show you what we got here. Now both of these are battery powered. Here's your little precision trimmer, and here's your other trimmer here. Now it also comes with 2 USB cords, so you can charge both of these at the same time if you got dead batteries. It does come with a little bottle of oil. It's not a huge bottle, but it should get you down the road for quite a while. You got your little brush here. First thing when I grab these out of the box, these things feel amazing in my hand. Compared to what I'm used to using, which both of my trimmers in the house are pushing probably 7 or 8 years old now. So I'm sure technology's changed quite a bit over the years. I took the guard off of this thing and got to playing with it. And I like all the adjustability this has got. I love the positive click on this thing. It feels really good in my hand. It's super lightweight compared to the other one I've been using. And when you turn this thing on, I mean, it just purrs. There's like no noise to this at all. My other one sounds like a garbage disposal when I use it. It's got this nice readout here for your battery level. It's actually got 2 speeds here. So you got your first speed and your second. Now these are advertised as being able to be used all day and have fast charging at all. I'm by no means a professional barber. I'm a lineman by trade. Take that for what it's worth. I don't know a lot about trimmers. I do know that all the trimmers I've owned over the years, this is by far the best feeling one in my hand. Now, when it comes to this precision trimmer here, same thing. Got 2 speeds. They advertise this as a 0 clearance blade on the top here. I've always owned the cheap precision trimmers when it came to my beard trimmers, so I'm really anxious to get this in the bathroom and give this thing a shot. But same deal. It's got your battery level here on the front, and then it shows you whether you're in turbo mode or not. And the same thing goes for this. Super lightweight, feels great in my hand. For this trimmer here, you got 4 guards. They range from 1.5 millimeter up to 6 millimeter, it looks like. That's what your guard looks like on there. Now when it comes to your bigger trimmer here, you've got 6 guards ranging from 1/16 of an inch up to 1/2 inch. And this is the guard you see here. And this thing just snaps right on. Plus you've got your adjustability like I showed you earlier. This is a slick trimmer. And I waited to film this because I wanted to show you guys my initial impressions when I got them out of the box. Let's get these things in the house real quick. I'm going to run them through my beard, do a little bit of light trimming just to kind of get a feel for how these things work. But yeah, I get the feeling I'm keeping this set and Dad's getting another one. All right, so here we are in the bathroom. Let's give this little precision trimmer a try. I am in desperate need of getting my neckline cleaned up. So let's go ahead and start with that. And like I said, this is supposed to have that 0 clearance trimmer on it. And I can already tell this thing does a way better job. Now granted, I'm using a trimmer that's not 8 years old like my other one is. And that's getting right down to the skin. That's awesome. Once again, I can't carp on this enough. The texture on this trimmer is just extremely easy to hold on to. I know you've felt those ones where they're kind of smooth on the end. This texture is just enough to be able to hold on to and not have to worry about it slipping out of your hand. Now, let's see if we can line up my cheekbone here. And then the real trick is seeing if we can get this to trim my lip. Oh yeah. I'm sold. This thing is awesome. That's the little precision trimmer. This blade does a real good job getting nice and close to my skin. I only felt it grab one time down here on my neck. That was my own fault. I was talking and not paying attention. Let's give this other one a try real quick. I'm just going to kind of run this down my beard a little. Put this thing in turbo. You've got those different adjustments you can make on this as well, should you want it. I'm going to go with the 0 clearance. This thing's just cutting through it like butter. I'm just after the stragglers right now. So obviously everybody's beard is going to be a little different. Mine's extremely coarse, even with the shampoo and conditioner that I use on it. And I have a heck of a time keeping my beard straight. What I really like about this bigger one, it's got the same texture handle as the little one does. So it's extremely easy to hold on to. It feels really balanced in my hand. I'm sold on these guys. These are definitely going to be my go-tos for the next years to come. We'll get Dad another set coming and get those wrapped under the tree for him. If you're looking for a good set of beard trimmers, I really like this set. So you can use this on your head, your beard, you name it, guys. Check these out. I'm extremely impressed.